In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a ClickUp task list or export ClickUp views step by step. This process is fantastic if you want to share tasks with your team, create reports, back up your data, or simply print out your ClickUp list for offline use. You'll find that exporting your tasks is a breeze and can be done in just a few clicks. I'll guide you through every single step, so let's dive right in. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it really helps us bring you more valuable content. Alright, first things first, log into your ClickUp account. You'll find a user-friendly interface waiting for you. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the list view or table view that contains the tasks you wish to export or print. It's really important to ensure that you're viewing exactly the tasks and columns that you want included in your export. Remember, ClickUp will only export what you see on screen, so take a moment to set that up just right. Now that you're in the right view, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Customize. Click on that. This action opens up the view settings where you can manage how your tasks are displayed. If you find yourself feeling a bit overwhelmed, don't worry. This is just a place to ensure your view is tailored to your needs. From the Customize menu, you're going to find an option labeled Export View. Go ahead and click on that. This is the magic button that allows you to download your ClickUp tasks. After you click on Export View, you'll be greeted with several export settings. Here's where you can customize further. You can choose your file format, which typically includes options like CSV or Excel. Depending on what you plan to do with the file, this choice can be really important. Additionally, you'll have the chance to include subtasks, closed tasks, or even specific columns in your export. This is your opportunity to tailor the information to suit your requirements. For example, if you're making a report for a team meeting, you might want to include all the relevant details and subtasks, ensuring nothing crucial is left out. Once you've adjusted all of these settings to your satisfaction, it's time to finalize everything. Look for the download button. This is usually prominently displayed. Click it, and ClickUp will start generating the file for you. You'll notice it automatically downloads to your computer. Yes, it's that easy. Now go ahead and open that downloaded file. You should see your ClickUp tasks laid out exactly as you wanted. From here, you have a couple of options. You can print your task list directly from this file if you need a physical copy to share or reference. Alternatively, if you'd like to share it digitally with others, you can send it via email or any collaboration tool that your team uses. And there you have it. You've successfully exported and printed your ClickUp task list in just a few simple steps. It really is such an efficient way to manage your tasks and keep your team on the same page. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy ClickUp guides and software tutorials. Your support means a lot, and it helps us keep creating helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using your ClickUp export feature.